This is my 70th PPSC mains mark sheet. In a very brief manner, I'll try to tell you the mistakes that I made, which was the reason why I could not clear this examination. So hi everyone, my name is Monica, and in this video I'm going to share with you the scores of my 70th BPSC mains of every paper and the mistakes that I made. What you can do from this video is that you can learn from my mistakes, because एक बार जो मैंने mistakes करी हैं, try not to repeat those mistakes in your attempt. Now coming to the scores. Paper 1, GS paper 1. GS paper 1 में I scored 190, 19 out of 300. What was the reason? These are very low score. The average score is 150. Mine score was 119. The difference is about 30 to 35 marks. What could be the reason? The reason is DI, data interpretation. Data interpretation is 70 marks in GS paper 1 in BPSC mains. Generally, topper suggests that you have to practice DI every day. I neglected this advice and delayed practicing DI to the very end. तो मैंने इसका बस 1 या 2 DI प्रैक्टिस किया before the actual BPSC mains. And what happened in actual paper was कि when actual paper happened ना, during that period कि I tried to attempt DI in my very first go in the very start of the paper, और उसमें I gave 30 to 45 minutes just to DI. जैसे मैंने 30 to 45 minutes दिए, I got all the DI questions wrong. Apart from that, I wasted time. This wasted time then affected the quality of answers in the other sections, which is history plus international relations. I had prepared very soundly for these subjects, but due to the shortage of time, I could not give my best in these subsections. So do not neglect DI in the very first place. We know that it is an easy section. Please do not neglect this, because maths need practice. तो DI को practice करो first day से. हर topper बोलता है, मैं भी बोलती हूँ. You will watch this video and forget this, but do not be like that. Please do try to implement what I say, क्योंकि regret ज़्यादा होता है फिर बाद में. तो this is all about paper 1. Now coming to paper 2. Paper 2 में I scored 123 out of 300. The average score was 140. Mine was 123. The gap is about 50 to 20 marks. The reason? Neglected health. I'm not from Bihar. I am from Haryana. And during that period, there were heat waves in Bihar. And I faced severe dehydration. उस dehydration की वजह से क्या हुआ कि actual paper में I fainted for about 5 to 10 minutes. जैसे मैंने faint किया ना, I lost time. And 1 या 2 question मैंने completely blank छोड़ दिया actual paper में. So this is how I scored 15 to 10 marks less than the average score. This is a very small detail which do people neglect every single time कि health को कौन serious लेता है. Being a youngster, everybody neglect health. तो इस वजह से मेरे 15-20 marks चले गए. You can now see the difference for yourself कि आपको करना है या नहीं. Now coming to essay paper, I scored 161 out of 300. It is the average score is 155 or something, and it is more than the average. So what I did different in this paper was I read a lot of essays. I had joined IS Valley coaching. IS Valley coaching मैंने join करी थी. उन पे मैंने toppers essays होते हैं, उनको मैंने read किया, analyze किया. Apart from that, essay के लिए I referred to my ethics notes. Ethics notes which I prepared ड्यूरिंग माई UPSC मेंस जर्नी. एथिक्स नोट्स को मैंने रेफर किया था जस्ट 1 or 2 days बिफोर माई एक्चुअल ऐसे एग्जामिनेशन, एंड दिस हेल्प्ड मी frame a lot of examples in my actual examination, and it helped me put into a lot of values into the essay paper. So essay and ethics are interrelated. They both help each other. तो इसीलिए मैंने ethics के notes पढ़ लिया था essay से पहले, which might have led to increase in my score in my essay paper. Now coming to geography, it is an MCQ based paper, और इसको ये भी just qualifying है, so I could qualify this without any preparation. Now coming to the total marks, I scored 403. The actual cutoff in my category is 444. My category is unreserved female, given the fact that I am outsider, which is I am not from Bihar. तो unreserved female हूँ. The cutoff difference is about 40 marks. And the reason is I just told that कि ओवरऑल एनालिसिस में द रीज़न मैंने बता ही दिया है कि मैंने PYQ का इतना प्रैक्टिस नहीं किया था. सबसे बड़ा रीज़न था DI. तो DI को मैंने कम्प्लीटली निगलेक्ट कर दिया था और इट कॉस्टेड में 30 to 40 मार्क्स. तो ये सबसे बड़ा रीज़न है. प्लीज़ डू नॉट निगलेक्ट द DI. और इसके बाद आई ओनली गिव 4 to 5 mocks. तो आई अटेम्प्टेड सेक्शनल मॉक्स अलॉट एंड फुल लेंथ मॉक्स था, मैंने 3 4 या 5 दिया था, जिसकी वजह से टाइम मैनेजमेंट में इन द पेपर 2 आई फेस्ड सम इश्यूज. तो these were the reasons and my BPSC mains mark sheet and the reasons that I failed. I appeared in 70th BPSC mains as well. एंड इस वाली मेंस में आई ट्राई टू अवॉइड दिस मिस्टेक्स. इसमें मैंने DI वगैरह भी प्रैक्टिस किया था. आई अटेम्प्टेड फुल लेंथ मॉक्स. वंस द रिजल्ट्स आर आउट, आई शेयर विद यू माई स्कोर and I'll draw a comparative analysis between my 70th and 71st BPSC mains. So please do watch and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.